Hi everyone, welcome to this next episode of my tutorial series, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, but I assure you it'll be interesting. Skyboxes. You know, whenever you look in a game and you look at the sky, that's like a backdrop to what exactly you're doing. Now, in the game we have here with the grass that we created and the trees, we can see up here and we notice we have this generic skybox that comes with every single thing. But I was thinking, what if we could change this to whatever picture we want that's spherical and looks nice for a sky? So, recently my family and I went spelunking in a cave, so I was wondering if maybe we could have a skybox with giant arches of iron sticking out of it. So I have a spherical photo. You can use this with any spherical photo, but you have to do a few things to it first. Now, this right here is my spherical photo of the cave I was in. We gotta change a few things to the spherical photo to make it into a skybox type dealio. We need to change it from a 2D to a cube. Now, cube makes it into a three-dimensional shape. Now we have to go to mapping, I believe, and we need to change it to mirrored ball, sphere ball. So since the skybox is a sphere that completely surrounds the area, this is what you need to do first. So I click sphere ball, sphere map. I'd probably fix edge seams because we're taking a square or a cube or a rectangle in this particular instance, and we're turning it into a sphere that will completely surround you, and we might have some weird seaming. Usually I would cover that up with a mountain or two. That's what I figured out that works best. But right now we're going to take this cave picture down here. I will show you how it looks. Make it sphere. In order to do that, you need to apply all the changes you made. And that will take a second because, it's a pretty large picture if you wanted to make it a sphere map. 17%. So, while that's cooking, I think I might show you where you could find some pretty good spherical photos on the interwebs. Internet's being wonderful to us today. Photospheres, there's plenty of them, and you can take plenty of them online. And if you use my method, you could just as easily, apply them to skyboxes. I take a lot of photospheres as part of my hobby as a Google photographer. So that usually I have a lot in my store, so I can just pick one up. And this is one from recently, just this weekend. Okay, I got that to work now. It took a second to load and everything. But adding the actual skybox is pretty simple. We have the sphere map right here. It should have turned into a sphere map. And all we need to do is click it from our assets, then drop it into the world. And yes, we do have that problem that it can be fixed with a six-sided sphere map, which I won't get to in this video. But this sphere map right here has turned into a pretty nice skybox. So it's not as visible, let's say, when we're in play mode. And as you can see right here, we have a wonderful skybox that looks like you're in the middle of a cave with some grass and some trees. And this is a pretty big place, by the way. I will show you in the next video how to do the standard Unity asset maps, skyboxes, because my skyboxes are a little weird unless you know how to fix them up a bit. So I'll see you then. Bye.